Hello friends, this is Ciara from Ciara T Designs, and today I have a very exciting video for you, at least I think so. I'm going to be showcasing the products from my Tulip collection, the stationery line that I have been developing for a little while. I am so excited to show you these products. So stay tuned, we're going to go through them all. I'm going to talk about pricing, I'm going to talk about bundles, and I will showcase everything so you can have a really good look. So here's the overall look of everything that I created for the stationery, this collection. And we're gonna go through everything, kind of take a deeper dive into it. I'll talk a little bit about what you could use it for, and yeah, that's kind of the exciting price. So let's jump in first with, I'll clear everything out. I just wanted all of the stuff in there for that first shot. We'll talk first about the postcard. So the postcard is kind of what started this whole collection. I started with the drawing of the Tulip postcard. So here you can see it. And I will have the drawing footage as well. With the world of AI now, you almost have to prove that you've hand drawn something. So I will have the footage from drawing this postcard, the whole image, and the Bose sticker sheet. And then that'll give you a good idea of how I, drew everything, and that it was 100% me. I picked all the colors, everything was me. So that'll give you a good shot at looking at that. So this is the postcard. It is 5x7. This is the back. I like to flip it the wrong direction. So there's a little area for a stamp, the address you're sending it to, and then your message. And I'm really happy with how this came out. So this is on the website. It's gonna be for $5. And I think it's really beautiful. I've sent a couple out to pen pals just to see how they ship and everything, and it was awesome. So that is the postcard. So that kind of started it. The next thing I have is my notepad. So this is 100% made by me. It is 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, so it fits beautifully in envelopes. I like to use notepad sheets to write letters to my pen pals or family friends, that kind of stuff, or put them in a card with a note. So I like to use them for that, but also lists. Like I wrote all the prices out on this list with the notepad. So I kept one for myself and then I made the rest. So they are fully handmade by me. There is 40 sheets in here. It is $7. They are glued by me. There's a backing piece. They come like this. And because it is handmade, there is a little bit of discrepancy between the page. So here you can see the bow is cut off just a little bit. That did happen on a couple of the pages I printed. It's not on all of them. Like some of them are like this, but some of them are a little bit cut off. So it is handmade, made with tons and tons of love, because like I said, I print them all on my favorite. It's the 32-pound smooth cardstock. I love it. It is my favorite cardstock. I guess it's closer to a paper because it's 32 pounds, and it is just a dream to write on. So I have done that. I print them, I cut them, I glue them, I bind them, and then I put them in a sleeve. I made this fun little sticker to go on the front, and it's just, I don't know, I had a lot of fun creating those. All of the prices are in Canadian, so keep that in mind, because I am Canadian, so everything ships from me here in Canada. So all of my pricing is Canadian, so of course the American cost would be less than what I'm saying, but I don't, whatever exchange rate happens to be at the time, so I don't always know. And then we go into the sticker sheets. So I created 2 large sticker sheets. One that is, specifically for journaling mostly, and another one that's kind of, oh no, it grabbed the outside. I've been playing with these, so they're a little bit abused, just to make sure I was happy with them. But so it just grabbed. This is mine. Don't worry, nobody's gonna get this one. This one's mine. But I made one that is days, for your bullet journal. I actually have a video coming out June 18th with my bullet journal. I used my full collection and I created like all of my spreads with it, and I used this for those. So that one's kind of a journaling sticker sheet. And then this one is my strips collection. So it is ombre color, and you can stamp on it. You can use it for art journaling. I don't know exactly all the things I want to use it for yet, but I'm really excited to have it because it matches the colors beautifully. And with the circles one, which you're gonna see in a moment, when I was doing my bullet journal, I actually stamped on it with StazOn ink, and I used it in my bullet journal with the collection. So you'll see that too once you know, you'll see that in that video, but this is how I used it. So you could do the exact same. You'd be able to stamp on this with Stays On or Archival and then use it in your art projects. So that will come on the channel later. And then going into, oh, sorry, these are $9. All of my large sticker sheets are always $9. These are A5 size, so they're quite large. And then my medium sticker sheets are $6, and they are half of the A5. So I have the bows collection, which, like I said, you're going to see the drawing for. I have the Tulip one that has these really cool blocks of color, a couple of sentiments, or just motivational quotes, and then the tulips. And then this is the circle sheet that I just showed you, where I used one of Tim Holtz stamps, and I stamped on it in, like I said, Stays On, and then I used it in my bullet journal for fun accents. So you will see this at a later date. So those three. And then we go into the sticker pack. So this is the sticker pack. There are 10 stickers in here. They are cut where they're easy to peel. And this is $7.50, I believe. Yes, $7.50. And I'll show you quickly the stickers that come in that pack so you can kind of see them. So there's the little pearl that I drew. I was so excited about that. In this, their squares are all separate. But on this one, I actually put them together as one long sticker. And then, of course, we have the tulips. I made them go 2 different directions. There's the little button that's in the center of the purple bow, because I just loved how that turned out. A green bow, the blue bow, because I had so much fun drawing the bows. I really wanted you guys to get to use them on different projects. And I used a lot of the sticker pack in my bullet journal. So like I said, the 18th, you'll see that video. And then so the tulips are mirrored, so you could put them in a project and have them be back to back and have it like have a window card saying you can see them from both sides. So I thought that was kind of fun for a different project. So that's all the sticker sheets and the stickers. And then of course I have the washi tape. Now you guys, to say that this is probably my favorite item of the whole collection would be an understatement, because I had so much fun designing it. So I have 3 washi tapes coming. This is Tulip Medley. I'll show you a card of them so you can kind of see it pulled out. So this is what the washi tape actually looks like. And it is 15 millimeters by 10 meters. That's what you get in the whole roll. So that's the tulip one. Then I have the diagonal herringbone, which is this guy right here, which is just a really fun background. I use this as a background in my bullet journal and it turned out stunning. And then I also have gradient grid, which is like this. And I didn't get all the colors here, but you can see it kind of goes from a pink into a purple, into a blue, into the green. So it's the same colors, it's just in a gradient. So it turned out really pretty. So I'm really happy with that one as well. So that's the 3 washi tapes. So this is the whole collection. I did make a couple of specialty stickers. These are gonna go in your orders as like a freebie, as a thank you. So you're gonna get, you know, one or the other. One has a star sparkle, one has a shard sparkle. Hopefully you can see that on the camera. I'm not sure how well that gets picked up, but that is those. Oh, and I'm sorry, the washi tapes are $6. So I'm gonna go through quickly the bundles that you can purchase as well if you're interested. So there is the everything bundle. It is $63.50. That's a $10 savings if you bought everything separately. That is limited though, because I only have 50 of each washi tape. So I had to limit how many bundles are actually available. And I think I listed, it was 20 or 15. I'll make sure that that information is correct in the email that's going to go out. But so the whole bundle, there's only, I believe, 20. Then I have just a washi tape bundle. So that's all 3 of the washi tapes. That's $15. So that's a $3 savings. You get $1 off of each washi tape if you buy all 3. And then I have the sticker sheet bundle, which is the 5 sticker sheets if you wanted to get those. And that is $31. So that's a $5 savings. So it's $1 off of each of the sticker sheets. So that's kind of how I worked out the bundles. But like I said, any of the bundles that have the washi tape in them, they are limited just because I only have 50 of each washi tape. So because I wasn't sure how well this was going to go over, if there would be any interest, I have no idea if anybody's going to purchase anything. I had to kind of limit the stuff that I brought in. There are no limits on anything else because, I mean, everything except the postcard and the washi tape I'm making myself in-house. So there's no limits. It would just be that I'd need to make some more. But like I said, the washi tape, so there's 10 of just the washi tape bundle. There's, I believe, 20 of just the full bundle, and then there's 10 of each washi tape available individually. So just to keep that in mind if you're pretty interested, so that you don't miss out. The release is June 15th at noon Pacific Standard Time. That's my time zone. There is a counter on top of my website. Right now, it's counting down till the launch. So if you're not sure what that means in your time zone, you can go and check that out, and it'll tell you. Because it'll say, like, this release is happening in 7 days and blah hours, or however it works out for your time zone. There will also be a timer in the email that will go out probably tomorrow, and it will, you know, showcase all the products. It will make sure that it will say the limited bundle blah available, so I make sure that those numbers are actually correct for you for the email. So if you're not on my email waiting list, you want to go check it out, so you can go and check that out. It is linked in the description. But yeah, so that is a closer look at everything that's in this collection. I am so excited to see if you guys enjoy this, to see what happens, to just get it in your hands and see what you guys can create with it, because I know you guys will create beautiful things. So that is what I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave your comments and tell me your thoughts. And if you watched all the way to the end and you like the collection, leave me your favorite bow emoji, just because I love seeing the little emojis in the comments. It's a lot of fun. So thank you guys so much, and I will see you again for my next video very soon. Bye.